This is my custom PC build. It's quiet, cool, and 3D printed shrouds not only perform, they look insane. Let's get into it. Cooling a PC is all about airflow. Most cases usually just blast as much air in and exhaust as much air out. The faster you can do that, the better the cooling. But we took it a step further. The main issue I was having was the GPU was recirculating all of its hot exhaust air directly back into the case. Just super inefficient. With my new design, I allowed the GPU to separate the intake and exhaust areas, thus allowing the hot air from the exhaust to not go directly back into the intake fans. I designed custom ducts to funnel air straight through the GPU and VRMs, and also the CPU. Think of them as air dams for your PC. I modeled the lower fan to direct airflow right to the bottom of the GPU. I printed these in ASA. It's a little bit stronger than PLA, also has a little bit higher temperature rating as well. Just damming off the intake side of the GPU and giving it its own dedicated intake fan actually did just about 10 degrees Celsius on its own. I designed all these ducts on Autodesk 360. I'm not a crazy good designer by any means, but I got my way around it. These ducts were an amazing learning experience that allowed me to really challenge what I thought I knew about 3D design. All of this combined just led to an amazing experience, lowering my temps in my PC case, as well as making it look quite a bit cooler. So that's my custom PC. Practical, unique, and way cooler. Literally. Let me know what you think.